In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Finance alerts. Welcome. If you're someone who wants to stay informed about the latest updates in the financial world, setting up Google Finance alerts is a fantastic tool to have in your arsenal. Let's walk through this process step by step, ensuring you feel confident and ready to monitor those critical financial insights that matter most to you. First, you'll want to navigate to the Google Alerts page. This is your control center for all things alerts. It's user friendly, so no need to feel overwhelmed. Once you're there, you'll see a search box right in the center. Go ahead and type in the keywords, topic, or phrase that you would like to monitor. For instance, you could enter phrases like Apple stock price or Tesla earnings report, depending on what specific information you're keen on keeping an eye out for. Next, click on the Show Options button. This is crucial because it allows you to customize your alert settings according to your preferences. Let's begin tweaking those settings. For frequency, decide how often you want to receive these alerts. Would you prefer real-time updates as they happen, or would a summary each day or week suit you better? Google has got your back with options like As It Happens, Daily, or Weekly. Choose the one that fits your needs. You can also specify the source types you're interested in. Maybe you'd like to encompass all available sources, or perhaps you're particularly focused on news articles or blog posts. Simply select from options like All, Web, News, or Blogs. Make sure you pick what aligns best with your needs to get the most relevant information. Don't forget language preferences. Choose the language in which you want the results displayed. It's a handy feature for multilingual users or those focusing on updates from particular regions or markets. Speaking of regions, you can also specify the geographic region that you're interested in. Want to know only about the US financial markets? No problem, just set it here. Decide on the volume of information you desire. Do you want only the most relevant results, or do you want to see all the alerts available? Make this decision under the How Many section. Finally, indicate the email address where you'd like to receive these alerts. Make sure it's an address you check frequently, as you wouldn't want to miss any significant updates. To wrap it all up, click Create Alert, and there you have it. Your tailored Google Finance alert is now active, and you'll start receiving notifications based on the criteria you've set. Whether you're an avid investor or a curious beginner, mastering these alerts will keep you informed and ahead in the finance game. Thanks for joining me today. Happy alerting.